Tired of fumbling for your physical Costco card at checkout? Go digital and unlock seamless shopping with the Costco app. First, you'll need the official Costco app. Head to your phone's app store whether you're on an Apple device or Android and search for Costco. Once you find it, simply download and install the app onto your phone. This usually takes just a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the app is installed, open it up. You'll be prompted to either sign into your existing Costco.com account or create a new one. Crucially, this account should be linked to your Costco membership. Enter your email address and password associated with your Costco membership. If you haven't created an online account yet, follow the easy steps to register using your membership number. Once you're logged in, navigate the app to find your digital membership card. It's usually located under a section like Membership, My Account, or a prominent card icon. Tap on it, and voila! Your digital membership card will instantly pop up on your screen, complete with your photo and a scannable barcode ready for use. Now, the next time you're at Costco, just open the app, pull up your digital card, and present it at the entrance or checkout. It's that simple and incredibly convenient. Say goodbye to carrying another card and embrace the effortless ease of your digital Costco membership.